Dear students, today we are going to discuss JEE Mains previous questions in the chapter vectors. Right, see this if A bar and B bar are perpendicular, A bar and B bar are perpendicular, then A bar dot B bar that is equal to 0. Then A bar cross A bar cross A bar cross A bar cross B bar. Right? This is a direct concept based question. Okay, now apply vector triple product definition. This is A bar cross B bar cross C bar definition. What is the definition of A bar cross B bar cross C bar? See that A bar cross A bar cross A bar cross A bar cross B bar definition, that is A bar dot B bar A bar dot B bar into A bar minus A bar dot A bar into B bar, A bar dot A bar into B bar. That is the vector triple product definition. Right. Now that is equal to A bar cross A bar cross. Now here A bar dot B bar is a scalar. A bar cross A bar, that is equal to 0 bar. A bar cross A bar, that is equal to 0 bar, minus here A bar dot A bar is a scalar. A bar dot A bar into A bar dot A bar into A bar cross B bar. Right. That is equal to, this is again A bar dot A bar is a scalar minus A bar dot A bar dot A bar into A bar cross B bar, A bar cross B bar. That is equal to minus of A bar dot A bar into, now applying the definition, that is A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B bar into A bar minus A bar dot A bar into B bar. Right? Here A bar dot B bar is equal to 0, so that A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Right? That is equal to minus A bar dot A bar minus A bar dot A bar. This is mod A bar square. This is also mod A bar square. That is equal to mod A bar whole power 4 into B bar. Right? So the answer is fourth option, mod A whole power 4 into B bar. Right. Now let us see next one. Given two vectors are collinear, then a possible unit vector parallel to the vector. Right. This is also direct concept based question. Given two vectors are collinear, two vectors are collinear, their components are proportional. It means that A1 by B1, that is equal to A2 by B2, that is equal to A3 by B3, A3 by B3. That implies, applying this proportionality, x by 1, x by 1, that is equal to minus 1 by y, minus 1 by y, that is equal to 1 by z, that is equal to 1 by z. That implies xy is equal to minus 1, xy is equal to minus 1, and xz is equal to 1, xz is equal to 1. Now how to find the values of x, y and z? Okay, now dividing this equation by this equation, that implies z by y, that is equal to 1 by minus 1. That implies z equal to 1, z is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1, or z may be k, y is equal to minus k, right? If y is equal to minus 1, that implies x equal to 1, x is equal to 1, right? Therefore, the required vector xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, first this vector, that is equal to I bar minus j bar plus k bar. Now we want to find the unit vector parallel to this vector. Okay, the unit vector parallel to this vector is the required vector, that is equal to the required vector, that is equal to a bar by mod a bar. Suppose this vector is equal to a bar, the required vector is equal to a bar by mod a bar, I bar minus j bar plus k bar divided by its magnitude square root of 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to I bar minus j bar plus k bar divided by root 3. Okay, therefore the answer is option A. Right. Now let us see next question. Given three vectors a bar, b bar and c bar be three given vectors. If r bar is a vector satisfying the equations this and this, then r bar dot a bar is equal to, right? From these two equations, first find the vector r bar. From these two equations, first find the vector r bar. After that, find r bar dot a bar. Right. Now see how to solve r bar from these two equations. Right. R bar cross a bar is equal to c bar cross a bar. R bar cross a bar is equal to c bar cross a bar. That implies r bar minus c bar, r bar minus c bar cross a bar, that is equal to 0 bar. Cross product of two vectors is 0 bar. Then these two vectors are parallel. That implies r bar minus c bar is parallel to a bar. That implies r bar minus c bar, that is equal to some lambda into a bar. That implies r bar is equal to c bar plus lambda into a bar, where lambda belong to r, where lambda is some scalar. Now how to find the value of lambda? Okay, for finding the value of lambda, also given r bar dot b bar is equal to 0. What is r bar here? R bar dot b bar, that is equal to 0. Here r bar is c bar plus lambda into a bar, c bar plus lambda into a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. That implies b bar dot c bar plus lambda into a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. That implies lambda is equal to minus b bar dot c bar divided by a bar dot b bar. That is equal to, what is B bar dot C bar. Here B bar dot C bar is I bar is equal to 1. I bar dot I bar is equal to 1 minus J bar dot minus J bar, that is plus 1. Right, that is B bar dot C bar divided by what is A bar dot B bar. A bar dot B bar is I bar is equal to 1. Next, 2J bar minus J bar, that is minus 2, that is minus 2. Right, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Lambda is equal to 2. Lambda is equal to 2. Therefore, R bar is equal to C bar plus 2 into A bar. R bar is equal to C bar plus 2 into A bar. Now, we want to find R bar dot A bar. We want to find R bar dot A bar. That is equal to C bar plus 2 into A bar. C bar plus 2 into A bar dot A bar. That is equal to C bar dot A bar plus 2 into A bar dot A bar, that is equal to mod A bar square. What is C bar dot A bar? C bar dot A bar, that is equal to 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, minus into minus plus 1, that is C bar dot A bar, 2 into mod A bar square, that is equal to 6. Okay. That is equal to 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2, 0, 2 into 6, that is equal to 12. Therefore, R bar dot A bar is equal to 12. Now, let us see another question. Let A bar, comma, B bar be two vectors if the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are represented by the vectors A bar and B bar. Right? This is also direct question. If A bar, comma, B bar are adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then area of a parallelogram is equal to modulus of A bar cross B bar, that is the area of the parallelogram. Now, what is A bar cross B bar? How to find A bar cross B bar? That is equal to determinant I bar, J bar, K bar. Now, the components of A bar: 1, alpha, 3 minus alpha, K. This is 1. Now, that is equal to I bar into alpha plus 3 alpha minus J bar into 1 minus 9 plus K bar into minus alpha minus 3 alpha. That is equal to 4 alpha into I bar, 1 minus 9 minus 8 minus into minus plus 8 J bar minus 4 alpha into K bar. Now take 4 as common, 4 into alpha into I bar plus 2 into J bar minus alpha into K bar. That is A bar cross B bar. Now, what is modulus of A bar cross B bar? Modulus of A bar cross B bar, that is equal to 4 times modulus of alpha I bar plus 2j bar minus alpha k bar that is equal to 4 times square root of alpha square plus 4 plus alpha square that is given that is equal to 8 root 3. Area of the parallelogram is equal to 8 root 3. Okay, now 4 2's are cancelled. Now squaring on both sides, 4 plus 2 alpha square that is equal to 12. That implies 2 alpha square is equal to 12 minus 4, 8. That implies alpha square is equal to 4. Right. Alpha square is equal to 4. That implies alpha is equal to plus or minus 2. Alpha is equal to plus or minus 2. Right. Okay. Now, alpha is equal to plus or minus 2. Now, we want to find a bar dot b bar. A bar dot b bar. If alpha is equal to 2, if alpha is equal to 2, then a bar dot b bar that is equal to 3 minus alpha square that is 4 plus 3 that is equal to, okay, here in a bar dot b bar we get alpha square. A bar dot b bar we get alpha square, so that alpha may be plus or minus 2. Alpha may be plus or minus 2. Then a bar dot b bar has the same value, that is equal to 2. Right. Now let 3 vectors a bar, b bar and c bar be such that is coplanar with a bar and b bar. Right? C bar is coplanar with a bar and b bar. That implies box of a bar, b bar, c bar that is equal to 0, or c bar may be written as c bar, the vector c bar may be written as a bar plus lambda into b bar. C bar may be written as a bar plus lambda into b bar, since a bar, b bar and c bar are coplanar. Right. Okay, that is c bar. Now also given a bar dot c bar equal to 7. Also given a bar dot c bar is equal to 7. Right? A bar dot c bar, a bar plus lambda into b bar is equal to 7. That implies a bar dot a bar mod a bar square plus lambda into a bar dot b bar is equal to 7. Now, what is mod a bar square? Mod a bar is equal to root 3. Mod a bar square that is equal to 3. Now, lambda into a bar dot b bar. A bar dot b bar is equal to minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus k bar dot k bar that is equal to 1. That is equal to 7. That implies this is 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus lambda is equal to 4. That implies lambda is equal to minus 4. Right. Therefore, c bar is equal to a bar minus 4 into b bar. Right. What is a bar here? That is minus I bar plus j bar plus k bar minus 4 into b bar. 4 into b bar is minus 8 I bar minus 4k bar, that is equal to minus 9I bar plus j bar, k bar minus 4k bar, that is minus 3k bar, right? That is C bar. Now we want to find the value of 2 times modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square, right? What is the formula for 2 times modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square? The formula for this one is 2 times mod A bar square plus B bar square plus C bar square plus 2 times A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar. That is equal to 2 into what is mod A bar square? Mod A bar square, that is equal to 3. What is mod B bar square? That is equal to 5. What is mod C bar square? Mod C bar square is equal to 9 square, that is 81 plus 1 plus 9, that is equal to 91, that is 91 plus 2 times A bar dot B bar. A bar dot B bar, that is equal to minus 1. A bar dot B bar is equal to minus 1. What is B bar dot C bar? That is 2 into minus 9 minus 18 minus 3 minus 21 minus 21. What is C bar dot A bar? Right? Minus 9 into minus 1 plus 9 plus 1, 10, 10 minus 3 plus 7, that is equal to 2 times, this is 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 91, 99, 99 plus, this is 7 minus 22, 7 minus 22, that is minus 15, 2 into minus 15, minus 30, minus 30, that is equal to 2 into 99 minus 30. 99 minus 30, that is equal to 69, that is equal to 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12 plus 1, 138. Right, that is the required value. Therefore, 2 times modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square, that is equal to 138. Now, let us see next one. Given the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the planes. Given 2 plane equations. The given plane equations are of the form R bar dot N1 bar is equal to D1, R bar dot N2 bar is equal to D2. The given plane equations are of the form R bar dot N bar is equal to D. Right. Now, we want to find the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection of these 2 planes. Right? The required equation of plane passing through intersection of these 2 planes is of the form that implies R bar dot N1 bar minus D1 plus lambda times R bar dot N2 bar R bar dot N2 bar minus D2 is equal to 0. That is the required equation of a plane. Right. Now, our aim is to calculate the value of lambda. how to find the lambda? What is the support for finding the value of lambda? Right. Given that this plane passing through the point 1 comma 0 comma 2. Right. Now that implies r bar dot n1 bar minus d1. Right. R bar dot I bar plus j bar plus k bar minus d1, that is minus 1 plus lambda into r bar dot I bar minus 2j bar minus 2. Now it will be plus 2, that is equal to 0. Right? Here r bar is a variable point on the plane. R bar is a variable point on the plane. Substitute in place of r bar 1 comma 0 comma 2. That means I bar plus 2k bar. I bar plus 2k bar. That implies I bar plus 2k bar dot I bar plus j bar plus k bar minus 1 plus lambda into r bar I bar plus 2 into k bar dot I bar minus 2j bar plus 2 is equal to 0. That implies I bar dot I bar, that is equal to 1. 2 into 1, that's 2 into 1, 2. 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus lambda into I bar dot I bar is equal to 1. Here there is no j bar term, right? This is k bar, but k bar is not present in this. So lambda into 1 plus 2, that is equal to 0. 1 gets cancelled. 2 plus 3 lambda is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to minus 2 by 3. Right? Substitute the value of lambda in the given equation. Substitute the value of lambda in the given equation. That implies r bar dot I bar plus j bar plus k bar, I bar plus j bar plus k bar minus 1 plus lambda, that is equal to minus 2 by 3 into r bar dot I bar minus 2j bar plus 2 is equal to 0. Now that implies multiplying this, okay, r bar dot 3I bar plus 3j bar plus 3k bar minus r bar dot 2I bar 2I bar minus 4j bar. Now what will be the constant term? The constant term is minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Now here minus 2 into plus 2, that is minus 4 is equal to 0. Now that implies r bar dot 3I bar minus 2I bar, that is I bar. Now 3j bar minus into minus plus 4j bar, that is 7j bar, I bar plus 7j bar. Now plus 3k bar plus 3k bar, right? R bar dot I bar plus 7j bar plus 3k bar is equal to, that is equal to here minus 3 minus 4 divided by 3, that is equal to 7 by 3. Right? Now this is simply 7 only. R bar dot I bar plus 7j bar plus 3k bar is equal to 7. Here take LCM 3 and simplifying this we get The answer is second option, option B. Right. Now let us see another one very simplest question. Modulus of x bar plus y bar is equal to mod x bar, and 2x bar plus lambda y bar is perpendicular to y bar, then the value of lambda is. Right, very basic concept involved in this. Okay, now modulus of x bar plus y bar is equal to modulus of x bar plus y bar, that is equal to mod x bar. Right, now squaring on both sides, that implies x bar square plus y bar square 2 times x bar dot y bar, that is equal to x bar square. Right, x bar square is a scalar. Now cancelling both sides, that implies take now y bar dot y bar plus 2x bar is equal to 0. Okay, this can be written as y bar dot y bar plus 2x bar is equal to 0. Right, from the given concept, 2x bar plus lambda y bar is perpendicular to y bar. Here, this is of the form 2x bar plus lambda y bar is perpendicular to y bar. Now, comparing to this, we get lambda is equal to 1. That implies lambda is equal to 1. This is very simplest question. Now, let us see another one. Right, this is also basic concept. If A bar and B bar are unit vectors, A bar and B bar are unit vectors, so that mod A bar is equal to mod B bar is equal to 1. Right? Now, then the greatest value of these vectors, of these magnitudes, root 3 into modulus of A bar plus B bar plus modulus of A bar minus B bar. Right? Now, first calculate what is modulus of A bar plus B bar. For calculating modulus of A bar plus B bar, always consider square of that magnitude. Always consider modulus of A bar plus B bar whole square. That is equal to, from the definition, from the formula, mod A bar square 1, mod B bar square 1, 2 into A bar dot B bar. 2 into A bar dot B bar. What is A bar dot B bar? Mod A bar, mod B bar into angle between A bar comma B bar. Suppose it will be theta, that is cos theta, that is equal to 2 plus 2 cos theta. Take 2 as common, 2 into 1 plus cos theta, that is equal to 4 cos square theta by 2 from trigonometry formula. Okay, now similarly, modulus of A bar minus B bar whole square is equal to modulus of A bar minus B bar whole square. It will be equal to 4 times sine square theta by 2. Because here 1 minus cos theta appears. What is 1 minus cos theta? 2 sine square theta by 2. Right. Now we want to calculate greatest value of root 3 into modulus of A bar plus B bar plus modulus of A bar minus B bar. That is equal to root 3 into, what is modulus of A bar plus B bar value? 2 into cos theta by 2, 2 cos theta by 2. What is modulus of a bar minus b bar value? 2 into sin theta by 2, 2 into sin theta by 2. That is equal to 2 root 3 cos theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2. Okay, now this is the expression is of the form a cos theta plus b sin theta. A cos theta plus b sin theta plus c, where c is equal to 0. The greatest value or the maximum value of this expression is the maximum value or the greatest value of this expression is root of a square. A is equal to 2 root 3, a square is equal to 12, b square is equal to 4, root 16 that is equal to 4. Therefore, the greatest value of the given expression is equal to 4. Right. Now, let us see another one. Right. Let the vectors a bar, b bar, c bar given their magnitudes 2, 4 and 4 respectively. If the projection of b bar on a bar is equal to projection of c bar on a bar, projection of b bar on a bar is equal to projection of b bar on a bar is equal to projection of c bar on a bar. Right. What is the formula for projection of b bar on a bar? That implies b bar dot a bar, b bar dot a bar by mod a bar is equal to c bar dot a bar by c bar dot a bar by mod a bar. Right? Mod a bar gets cancelled. That implies b bar dot a bar is equal to c bar dot a bar. Right? This is condition 1. Right. Now, b bar is perpendicular to c bar. B bar is perpendicular to c bar. So that b bar dot c bar is equal to 0. This is second condition. Then the value of magnitude of a bar plus b bar minus c bar. For calculating magnitude of sum of the vectors, always consider square of that magnitude. Square. Always consider square. What is the formula for this? That is equal to mod a bar square plus mod b bar square plus mod c bar square plus 2 times a bar dot b bar minus b bar dot c bar minus c bar dot a bar c bar dot a bar. Right, from condition 1, a bar dot b bar is equal to c bar dot a bar. A bar dot b bar is equal to c bar dot a bar. From condition 2, b bar dot c bar is equal to 0. That is equal to mod a bar square, that is equal to 4, mod b bar square, that is equal to 16, mod c bar square, that is also equal to 16, that is equal to 36. That implies magnitude of required vector a bar plus b bar minus c bar, that is equal to 6. Right. Now let us see next one. If the volume of a parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are given by the vectors. Right. What is the volume of a parallelepiped? This is also basic formula. Okay, what is volume of a parallelepiped? Volume of a parallelepiped, that is modulus of box of A bar, B bar, C bar, that is given 158 cubic units. 158 cubic units. From the given condition, we want to find first the value of n. The value of n. If n equal to 7 or n is equal to 9, the problem is over. Otherwise, calculate B bar dot C bar and A bar dot C bar. Right. Okay. Now, modulus of box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar means determinant of the components of A bar. 1, 1, n. The components of A bar. What are the components of B bar? 2, 4, minus n. Now, the components of C bar. 1, n, 3, 1, n, 3, that is equal to 158. That is equal to 158. Now, expanding the determinant along first row, 1 into 4 3s are 12 plus n square minus 1 into 3 2s are 6 plus n, 6 plus n plus n times 2n minus 4, 2n minus 4, that is equal to 158. The absolute value of LHS is equal to 158. That implies 12 plus n square minus 6 minus n plus 2n square minus 4n is equal to 158. Now that implies 3n square minus n minus 4n minus 5n. Now 12 minus 6, that is 6, is equal to plus or minus 158. Plus or minus 158. That implies 3n square minus 5n plus, suppose if we take 158, 6 minus 158, that is minus 152, that is equal to 0. Right. Okay, now find the value of n. What are the factors of this? 158. 3 into 152. 3 into 152 means 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 456. Right. Now, what are the factors of 456? Okay, for calculating factors like this way, 456 divided by 2, 2 into 2 2s, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, again 2 into 2 1s, 2 1s, 2 4s, that is equal to 2 into 1 1 4, 3 into 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, now this is not sufficient. 2 into 3 into 2 into 19. Right? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 19. Right? Now that implies 3n square minus 24n plus 19n minus 152 is equal to 0. Now take 3n as common, n minus 8. Take 19 as common, n minus 8, that is equal to 0. right? N is always positive, so that n is equal to n greater than or equal to 0. That implies n is equal to 8, right? So n equal to 8 is not present, not appear in the options. Now we want to calculate b bar dot c bar and a bar dot c bar, right? N is equal to 8. If n is equal to 8, what is b bar dot c bar? If n is equal to 8, what is b bar dot c bar? 2 ones are 2, 4 eights are 32, 4 eights are 32, minus 3 eights are 24, 3 eights are 24. Now 34 minus 24, that is equal to 10. B bar dot C bar is equal to 10. So that the answer is option B. The answer is option B. Right. Now let us see next one. Given vector A bar, from that then the value of modulus of I bar cross I bar whole square. Okay, sigma, we want to calculate sigma modulus of I bar cross I bar cross I bar whole square. Right, we want to calculate this value. Now let us see the definition of vector triple product I bar cross I bar. That is equal to I bar dot I bar dot I bar into A bar minus I bar dot A bar into I bar. I bar dot I bar is equal to 1, that is equal to A bar minus A bar dot I bar. A bar dot I bar means 2, A bar minus 2I bar, that is equal to J bar plus 2K bar, that is J bar plus 2K bar, right? Similarly, J bar cross A bar cross J bar, J bar cross A bar cross J bar, that is equal to 2I bar plus 2K bar, 2I bar plus 2K bar, K bar cross A bar cross K bar, that is equal to 2I bar plus J bar. Now we want to calculate square of their magnitudes, sum of the squares of their magnitudes. The required value is equal to that is equal to, right, modulus of this vector, magnitude of this vector, the whole square, that is equal to 1 plus 4. Now magnitude of square of this vector, that is 4 plus 4. Again the square of the magnitude of this vector, that is 4 plus 1, that is equal to 4 4s are 16 plus 2, that is equal to 18. Therefore the required value is equal to 18. Now let us see another one. Let x0 be the point of local maxima of f of x. Right? The question is a common question, but adding a small factor, that is x0 be the point of local maxima. Right? F of x is defined a bar dot b bar cross c bar, that is same as box of a bar, b bar, c bar, right? Given a bar, b bar and c bar, then the value of a bar dot b bar dot c bar dot a bar at x equal to x0. Finally, simply conclude that what is given and what is the required value. The given value is box of a bar, b bar, c bar at maximum value. Okay, at x equal to x0, find a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar. For this, first calculating box of a bar, b bar, c bar. Box of a bar, b bar, c bar means determinant of a bar components x minus 2, x minus 2, 3. Now b bar components minus 2, x minus 1. Now the components of c bar 7 minus 2, x 7 minus 2, x. Right, we want to calculate this and also calculate at what values of x the function getting maximum value. Right, okay, now first calculating this determinant value, expanding this determinant along first row, x into x square plus x square minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2x plus 7 minus 2x plus 7 plus 3 into minus 2 into minus 2 4 minus 7x, that is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 4x, 2 7s are 14, 3 4s are 12 minus 21x, that is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x minus 21x minus 27x minus 27x plus 14 plus 12, that is equal to 26. Right, now it will be f of x is equal to x cube minus 27x plus 26. Right, now f dash of x, for getting maximum or minimum, f dash of x is equal to 0, f dash of x, that is equal to 3x square minus 27, that is equal to 0. That implies x equal to plus or minus 3. X is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay, now f double dash of x, that is equal to 9x, f double dash of x is equal to 9x, that implies f double dash of minus 3 is equal to minus 27, that is less than 0. Therefore, the function has a local maxima at x naught is equal to minus 3. The function has local maxima at x naught, that is equal to minus 3, because the second derivative at x equal to minus 3 is less than 0. Right, now we want to calculate a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar. See what is a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar. Right, x naught is equal to minus 3, a bar dot b bar minus 3 minus 2 plus 6. Now minus 2 minus 3 plus 6 plus 6. Now 3 into minus 1 minus 3, that is a bar dot b bar plus what is b bar dot c bar minus 2 into plus 7, that is minus 14. Now minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Now x is minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus 3. Now c bar dot a bar, c bar dot a bar minus 3 into 7 minus 21. Now minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus 4, 3 into minus 8, that is minus 20, 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9. Right? Once verifying a bar dot b bar dot c bar, and c bar dot a bar, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Now minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6 in a bar dot b bar. Now coming to b bar dot c bar, particularly x is minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Now coming to c bar dot a bar, x is minus 3 into 7 minus 21, 3 into minus 3 minus 9. That is equal to 12 minus 3, that is 9, plus this is 6 plus 3, 9 minus 14, that is minus 5. Now 4 minus 30, 4 minus 30, that is minus 26, right? That is equal to 9 minus 5, 4, 4 minus 26, that is minus 22. Therefore, the answer is option 4. Right? Now, let us see next one. Right? Let a plane P contain two lines. Let a plane P contain two lines. This is a line passing through point I bar and parallel to the vector I bar plus j bar. Now, this is a plane passing through point minus j bar and parallel to the vector j bar minus k bar. Right? If q alpha beta gamma is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point m 1 comma 0 comma 1 to p, then 3 times alpha plus beta plus gamma equals. Right? Now, first calculate the equation of a plane. First, we want to calculate the equation of a plane. Right? The plane passing through these 2 points I bar and j bar and parallel to the vector cross product of these two vectors. Cross product of these two vectors. Suppose this is of the form r bar is equal to a bar plus r bar is equal to a bar plus t into b bar. Another one is equal to, this is lambda, it will be lambda. R bar is equal to c bar plus mu into d bar, c bar plus mu into d bar. First, we want to calculate b bar cross d bar. For finding equation of plane b bar cross d bar. Right? Here b bar and d bar are simple vectors. So we want to find directly I bar plus j bar, I bar plus j bar cross j bar minus k bar. J bar minus k bar. What is I bar cross j bar? That is equal to k bar. What is I bar cross k bar? Minus j bar. Minus into minus plus. Now, what is j bar cross j bar? J bar cross j bar is equal to 0 bar minus j bar cross k bar. J bar cross k bar is I bar, that is equal to minus I bar plus j bar plus k bar, that is b bar cross d bar. Now we want to find the equation of the plane. Okay, the equation of the plane passing through 2 points and parallel to one vector is the equation of a plane passing through 2 points. Now the first one is 1 comma 0 comma 0, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Right. Now this plane passing through 0 comma minus 1 comma 0. Okay, that is minus 1 Right, now that is minus 1. Now this is 0. Okay, 0 comma minus 1 comma 0. Substitute 0, minus 1 and 0. Now the third one is parallel to the vector minus 1, 1, 1, 1. That implies, simplifying this, we get the equation of the plane. That implies x minus 1 into minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus y into minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus z into minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies minus x plus y minus 2z. The constant term is plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies x minus y plus 2z minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a plane. Now we want to find if alpha, beta, gamma is the foot of the perpendicular from the point M1, 0, 1. Okay, now this is x1, this is y1, this is z1. The formula for foot of the perpendicular is h minus x1 or alpha minus x1 divided by a is equal to beta minus y1 divided by b is equal to gamma minus z1 divided by c is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by a square plus b square plus c square. This is the formula for calculating foot of the perpendicular. Here alpha, beta, gamma is the required numbers. Alpha, beta, gamma, that is x1, y1, z1. The plane equation, this is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Right, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 2. By using this formula, calculate alpha, beta and gamma. Also calculate 3 times alpha plus beta plus gamma. That is the required value. Right? Now let us see another one. Let a, b, c be 3 real numbers satisfying a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1. And also ABC satisfies another condition in terms of theta, where theta is equal to pi by 9. Then the angle between the vectors ai bar plus bj bar plus ck bar and bi bar plus cj bar plus ak bar. Okay, let the vectors be taken as alpha bar, that is equal to ai bar plus b into j bar plus c into k bar, beta bar that is equal to beta bar that is equal to b into i bar plus c into j bar plus a into k bar. Right, these are the 2 vectors alpha and beta. Right, okay, let alpha be the angle between these 2 vectors. Let some alpha be the angle between these 2 vectors. Cos alpha is equal to alpha bar dot beta bar by mod alpha bar into mod beta bar. Right, what is alpha bar dot beta bar? That is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA divided by mod alpha bar into mod beta bar, that will be a square plus b square plus c square. Right? From the given relations, we want to calculate or we want to find AB plus BC plus CA. Right? Given a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1. For calculating AB plus BC plus CA, we consider 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. We consider 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. That is equal to, what is 1 by A? Suppose this equation is equal to K some value, right? A is equal to K by cos theta. Suppose let this equation is equal to K. A is equal to K by cos theta. 1 by A, that is cos theta by K. 1 by B, cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3. Cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos of theta plus 4 pi by 3. Theta plus 4 pi by 3 divided by K. Divided by K. Right? For any value of theta, the numerator will be equal to 0. For any value of theta, numerator should be equal to 0. That is equal to 0. That implies, now taking LCM, BC plus CA plus AB divided by ABC is equal to 0. Now it will be, that means BC plus CA plus AB is equal to 0. Right? Now let us see another one. Given two lines, the lines do not intersect for any values of L and M. Okay, this is the problem based on intersection of two lines. Concept based on intersection of two lines. For calculating intersection point of these two lines, first write the given lines to the vector form. That is, take I bar as common. I bar as common. 1 plus 2L into I bar. 1 plus 2L into I bar minus J bar plus L into K bar. L into K bar. Now, in another line also, R bar is equal to, take I bar as common, 2 plus M into I bar, 2 plus M into I bar. Now, take J bar as common, J bar minus J bar as common, 1 minus M, 1 minus M. Right, now M into K bar, now M into K bar. Right, first write the given line equations in vector form. Okay, that is R bar is equal to Xi bar plus Yj bar plus Zk bar. Right? Okay, for getting point of intersection, equating corresponding coefficients. Right? That implies 1 plus 2L is equal to 2 plus M. 2 plus M. Now equating coefficient of J bar, 1 is equal to 1 minus M. Now equating coefficient of K bar, L is equal to M. L is equal to M. Okay, from this M is equal to 0. M is equal to 0. L is also equal to 0. Substituting the values of L and M in this equation, if the equation is satisfied, then the two lines intersect. Otherwise, if the values of L and M does not satisfy this equation, these two lines does not intersect. Right? See, put L equal to 0 and M is equal to 0 in this one. 1 plus 0 is equal to 2 plus 0. 1 is equal to 2. It is not possible. 1 equal to 2 is not possible. So that the two given lines do not intersect for any values of L and M. Right? Now let us see another one. Let the position vectors of points capital A and capital B, given the position vectors of A and B, OA bar and OB bar, right, respectively, P divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio lambda is to 1. Right, this is point A and this is point B. Now this is point P. P divides A and B in the ratio lambda is to 1. Lambda greater than 0. Right, therefore position vector of P, that is equal to, okay, the position vector of A is A bar, the position vector of B is B bar. So that OP bar is equal to lambda into B bar plus A bar, lambda into B bar plus A bar divided by lambda plus 1. That is the position vector of P. Right? If O is the origin and given a relation OB bar dot OP bar minus 3 into modulus of OA bar cross OP bar whole square is equal to 6, then lambda is equal to, okay, first what is OB bar dot OP bar? What is OB bar dot OP bar? OB bar is B bar dot lambda into B bar plus A bar divided by lambda plus 1. That is equal to lambda into B bar dot B bar square plus A bar dot B bar divided by lambda plus 1. That is equal to lambda into, what is B bar square? That is 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 9, 14, 14 mod B bar square is 14. What is A bar dot B bar? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, that is A bar dot B bar divided by lambda plus 1. 14 lambda plus 6 divided by lambda plus 1, that is OB bar dot OP bar. Right, now we want to calculate OA bar cross OP bar. OA bar cross OP bar. OA bar cross OP bar. What is OA bar? A bar cross OP bar, lambda into B bar, lambda into B bar plus A bar divided by lambda plus 1. Right, here lambda plus 1 is a scalar, that is equal to 1 by lambda plus 1 into 1 by lambda plus 1 into lambda into A bar cross B bar, lambda into A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross A bar, A bar cross A bar, that is equal to 0. Right, now lambda by lambda plus 1 into A bar cross B bar. Now what is A bar cross B bar? That is equal to determinant I bar, J bar, K bar. A bar is 1, 1, 1. This is 2, 1, 3. That is equal to I bar into 3 minus 1. That is 2. J bar into 3 minus 2, 1 plus K bar into 1 minus 2 minus 1. That is A bar cross B bar. Right, so now OB bar dot OP bar, OB bar dot OP bar, that is 14 lambda plus 6 divided by lambda plus 1 minus 3 into OA bar cross OP bar whole square. OA bar cross OP bar whole square lambda square divided by lambda plus 1 whole square lambda square by lambda plus 1 whole square modulus of A bar cross B bar whole square, that is 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6, that is equal to 6. Right? Now simplifying this, we get the value of lambda. Okay? Right. Now let us see another one. A bar, B bar and C bar be 3 unit vectors. 3 unit vectors, that implies mod A bar is equal to mod B bar is equal to mod C bar is equal to 1. Given a relation modulus of A bar minus B bar whole square, modulus of A bar minus B bar whole square, modulus of A bar minus C bar whole square is equal to 8. That implies mod A bar square mod B bar square minus 2 times A bar dot B bar plus A bar square plus C bar square 2 times A bar dot C bar, that is equal to 8. Right? 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, that implies 4 minus 4 into 2 into A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar, that is equal to 8. That implies 2 into A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar is equal to minus 4. That implies A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar is equal to minus 2. Right? Now we want to find modulus of A bar plus 2B bar whole square, modulus of A bar plus 2B bar whole square, modulus of A bar plus 2C bar whole square, that is equal to mod A bar square 4 into mod B bar square plus 4 into A bar dot B bar plus mod A bar square, that is 1, 4 into mod C bar square, that is 1, plus 4 into A bar dot C bar, 4 into A bar dot C bar. 5 plus 5 10 plus 4 times A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar, that is equal to 10 plus 4 into what is A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar. Right, that is equal to minus 2, 4 into minus 2, 10 minus 8, that is equal to 2. Right, therefore the required value is equal to 2. Now let us see another one. Let A bar, B bar and C bar be 3 vectors. Mod A bar is equal to root 3, mod B bar is equal to 5, B bar dot C bar is equal to 10. Also given angle between B bar and C bar is pi by 3. Now what is the definition of B bar dot C bar? B bar dot C bar is equal to mod B bar into mod C bar into cos theta is equal to 10, given mod B bar, that is equal to 5. Now mod C bar is not given, simply mod C bar theta is pi by 3, that is 1 by 2 equal to 10. That implies mod C bar is equal to 4. Right, from the given relation we get mod C bar is equal to 4. Right, now also given A bar is perpendicular to the vector A bar, angle between A bar comma B bar cross C bar is equal to 90 degrees. Now we want to find modulus of A bar cross B bar cross C bar. That is equal to mod A bar into modulus of B bar cross C bar. Since angle between these two vectors is 90 degrees, mod A bar mod B bar sine of angle between A bar and B bar, that is sine 90, that is equal to 1. Now that is equal to mod A bar modulus of B bar cross C bar mod B bar mod C ar sine of angle between B bar comma C bar, that is equal to mod A bar root 3 mod B bar 5 mod C bar, that is 4 sine of angle between B bar comma C bar sine pi by 3, that is root 3 by 2. Right, 2 ones, 2 twos are cancel, 5 twos are 10, 10 threes are 30. Right? Okay, thank you.